Well, I'm Tom Carper, United States Senator, recovering governor, retired Navy captain, and I am grateful to you for inviting me to be a small part of your staff meeting. The work that you all do at Westside is mighty important to a lot of people. I value the work that you do. To provide access to health care, regardless of a patient's ability to pay, it's vitally important to a lot of people, in the first state, thousands of people of all ages, from all backgrounds. It has been such a joy for me to see Westside to grow over the years throughout our state and to provide more and more service to so many people who need it. You have answered the call to meet the needs of so many communities, whether it's hiring bilingual staff, creating a dental clinic, or providing mobile services to actually meet patients where they live, and you're there to help them. So after the passage of the Affordable Care Act, the expansion of Medicaid, and the establishment of marketplaces, exchanges in every state, Westside was on the front lines, handling the influx of new patients and helping Delawareans to enroll in health insurance, many of them for the very first time. Some of my colleagues in the Senate believe that health care is not a right. I just don't agree with them. And earlier this year, many of you joined me in support of the Affordable Care Act and advocated for your patients, many of whom would be deeply affected, adversely affected by an outright repeal of the Affordable Care Act. And that work has paid off when the Senate rejected a partisan effort to dismantle our healthcare system last month. The Declaration of Independence enshrined for every citizen of our country the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And I would just like to say it's mighty hard to have any of those things without having good health or access to health care. Every American, no matter how healthy or wealthy he or she might be, is lucky enough to be, at least, deserves access to quality health care. And that principle shouldn't bend along party lines or any lines, frankly. I will continue my work in the United States Senate, along with Senator Coons and Lisa Blunt Rochester in the House of Representatives, to make our health care system even better. And we need to drive down costs, or hold our costs down, and to bring certainty to our marketplaces, our exchanges across the country, among other things. I'm grateful through it all, Lolita Lopez and the West Side team remain steadfast in your mission to deliver quality health care to Delawareans. You are doing the Lord's work. God bless you. See you soon. Take care.